First, press the Windows key and the R key together. You'll see a little run window pop up. Here, type the word prefetch, that's P, then hit OK. Now, a folder will open up. Select any of the files in there. Then press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. That'll select all the files. Now press Shift+Delete. This permanently deletes all these junk cache files from your computer. Once everything's selected, just click Yes, and those unnecessary files will be gone. Once this is done, again, press Windows+R together. But this time, type in temp TMP. This will open the Windows Temporary Files folder. Again, select any file, press Ctrl+A, then press Shift+Delete. And boom, gone. Now again, press Windows+R, and this time type %temp% with the % signs. Hit OK. This is another location that stores lots of encrypted junk files. Don't worry, these are not created by you. Then press Ctrl+A, then Shift+Delete to remove them all. Now, don't panic if some files don't get deleted. That's completely fine. Just check the box that says do this for all current items, and then click skip. Some files might be in use by running programs, so we can leave those alone. Alright, once you've done that, here's the last step. Press Windows+R one more time, and now type cleangr, that's CLANMGR, then hit OK. Now you'll see the disk cleanup window. By default, the C drive will be selected. This is where your operating system is installed. Just leave it on C drive and click OK. In the next window, you'll see a list of things to clean. Check all the boxes. Recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails, delivery optimization files, temporary internet files, all of them. Make sure everything is checked. Then click OK. And that's it. You've wiped out all the junk from your system. Your PC will now run cleaner and faster than before. I hope this tutorial helped you out.